Hey everybody, welcome back to Outdoor Playtime Adventures. This week's adventure is educational. We're going to do some very simple outdoor math games. So join us for some simple outdoor math games. Let's get started.
The first math game we're going to look at is Fun with Number Lines. And for this game, all you need is some sidewalk chalk and of course a sidewalk. So you'll take your sidewalk chalk and draw a very, very long line on the sidewalk. And then add little lines as pictured in the picture here, and add numbers 1 through 20. One fun game you can play with the number line is a counting game. So this is actually very good for people who need some practice with their counting. You can say or shout out the numbers as you walk across or hop over the numbers on the line. Do you notice any patterns as you move through the teens and the 20s? Another fun thing you can do with a number line are adding and subtracting games. So for adding, you can use what's 6 plus 3? Using the number line to find out, you can stand on the number 6 and hop forward 3 places. What number did you land on? If you need some practice adding bigger numbers, just make your number line a little longer. For subtracting, it's just like the adding game, but only in reverse. So instead of hopping forward, you'll hop backwards to the answer. The next fun math game is counting with dice. So all you need with this is just some dice. What you'll do is one player rolls out the dice to count and move. So one player rolling the dice, the other player will then shout out what action the first player will perform. So you can tell them to jump, you can tell them to hop, or skip. So whatever you say, the first player who's rolled the dice does the action the number of times shown on the dice while counting out loud. And in our final math game, game number 3 is called the water balloon smash. So you're going to grab some balloons, you'll fill up 20 balloons with water and number each of the balloons. So number 1 on one balloon, a number 2 on another, etc. Then, using the sidewalk chalk, you'll draw numbers 1 through 20 in big circles. So the player will shout out a number and have the person with the balloons smash the balloon that has the same number on the drawn circle.
Hey everybody, so how did you do? Those are some pretty fun little games, weren't they? On our next installment of Outdoor Playtime Adventures, we're going to get our scientist hat on. We're going to learn how to test some of the rocks that we find in our backyard to see what kind of rocks they are. So outdoor rock testing on our next installment of Outdoor Playtime Adventures. Hope to see you then.